This is Shirley, the herb lady from Alaska. Clove bud is, mostly I use it for the teeth, but I have found out I can use it for a lot more than just the teeth. Clove bud essential oils contain a powerful anti-inflammation agent. It's called PGE. Research shows that the oil is strong antiseptic against bacteria, viral infection, for a toothache. I've had people come up with their jaw all swollen up like a baseball. And they said, I said, you need to go to the dentist. And they said, well, we got an appointment, but you can't get in for 4 days. And they had to suffer for 4 days. So I told them to get a Q-tip, buy this clove oil, put the Q-tip right on the edge of that tooth and rub it back and forth. And they came back the next day and the swelling was completely down. Before it looked like a baseball, and it would, and they wasn't going to go to the. I said, you go and get that taken care of, because it can help to kill the bacteria, but they need to go find out the cause. It could be some kind of bacteria that's underneath that needs to be scraped out or something. But finally, the guy did. But a lot of people, when I tell them how to help themselves, they think that's it. But a lot of times you need to find the root of the problem. And one thing that feeds the bacteria in your mouth is sugar. If you keep away from sugar, that will help a lot too. It says clove oil is strong it helps with coughs. It helps relieve muscle spasms. Research in Mina University in Egypt tests the essential oils to determine they inhibit the growth of fungi for athlete's foot and scabies. Scabies you have to watch out, because people have it when they eat too much sugar or drink too much alcohol, and it can you can catch. Research is determined to affect the cause primary in the intestinal tract. Bacteria strains that essential oils of clove bud will prevent. It inhibits bacteria, strep. Research in France conduct a study to determine which essential oils would purify and deodorize the air, destroying bacteria such as staph, strep, and the oils were found to destroy 90% of the microbes within 3 hours: the cloves, the lavender, the lemon, the peppermint, the pine, the rosemary, and thyme. Furthermore, in the trials of 182 institutional patients, a mixture of cloves, cinnamon, and lavender, thyme, and helped to decrease the bouts for chronic bronchitis. And a lot of times with bronchitis, if you will get some marshmallow tea and drink a quart of it a day and get that mucus out of you and start using the oils, it will go away and it won't come back. But a lot of times it's your bad eating habits. And when people get sick, most of the time they bring it on themselves. One advantage of inhaling the essential oils, in many cases, it helps with sinus between bouts. And a lot of times, if it keeps coming back, they said in one of the books I was reading, it says that a lot of times the bacteria is caught up in your nose, and you need to use the oil and flush it out with a Q-tip with the oil, because a lot of times the nose is what's causing it, because the bacteria is multiplying up there. Okay, journal Applied Bacteria shown that the essential oil clove is germicide against Candida, staph 5 strains, and pneumonia in E. coli. Candida has over 100 strains. And we have found 3 different herbs that will kill Candida completely if you take all 3 of them at once and keep taking them until the Candida is gone. Clove oil provides an aroma used to combat being frigid, enhances libido by direct stimulating the reproductive system. Clove oil is equally energized for mental stimulation. According to Jean Ballard, MD, the oil can prevent contagious disease and treat arthritis, diarrhea, TB, acne, fatigue, thyroid dysfunction, headaches, nausea, rheumatoid arthritis, sinusitis, skin cancer, chronic skin disease, sores, healing the mouth, viral hepatitis, warts, and lymphoma. You apply topical with massage oil, 1 or 2 drops in water, and use it as a goggle. You can apply it in your palms of your hand, on the bottom of your feet, on your teeth. For oil hygiene, the gums surrounding the infected tooth. To break tobacco addiction, place a drop on the ridge of your finger and put it on the tip of your tongue. For a tickle in your throat, put it on the tip of your tongue. It influences healing, mental encouragement, stimulates dreams, and creates a sense of protection and courage. The people in Hygiene were free from an epidemic until the 6th century, when the Dutch conquerors destroyed the clove trees that flourished on the island. Many of the islanders died from epidemics. The following principle that helped kill that bacteria from the clove oil was sufficient to kill TB. When they went and killed all the trees, they started getting diseases that they had never got before because they used the oil from the trees. And when they killed the trees, the people didn't have the trees anymore to use it. It is the best known as a quick cure for toothaches, although it's equally used for digestion problems, muscular disorders. It can be used for treatment for asthma and nausea. Clove's powerful oil that has been sterilizes surgical instruments. I hope you have learned something from this and enjoy using your oils, and make sure they're organic. Thanks.